Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda. If you can relate to mom life and you love makeup, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on future videos. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing a new 90s Baby Cosmetics palette and this interesting Bambi mascara that I saw Maria Gloria try out, and I wanted to kind of give it a shot, give it a go, and let's see how it works. So if you're interested how these two products perform, let's go ahead and get this video started. First, we're going to pin this hair back. So the palette that I'm reviewing is their new Valentine's Day palette. It is called Love Notes. But look how beautiful these shades are. I don't see any shade names, but the packaging is amazing. It's a good, like, sturdy palette here. I like that you can just pop these out. It's like a little Z palette. So you could just pop these out. You can arrange them in any order that is pleasing to you. But I think what we're gonna do, these are a dry glitter, is what they told me. So you might need a primer for this. I don't have a primer, so we're gonna figure something out. I'm gonna go here, and with this, we'll probably use this and this, but let's do a little bit of a swatcheroo here. All right, so here's this top row. We have this beautiful blue glitter. Yeah, so when it's like dry, it is dry, so you will need a primer. This is like a mermaid looking pretty color. This is a matte yellow. So all of them feel really nice and soft. So keep in mind that, oh, that was gorgeous. That felt like butter. So this yellow is a little bit brighter than this one. So again, it is a dry glitter, so it's not going to swatch like the Summer of 2001 palette. So you will need a primer or some kind of base for the glitters in this palette. So this is a nice like magenta, is that the right word? This is a like mauvey purple color. Love that so much. And then this is a shimmery pink, like a soft pink. So this, remember, these glitters are dry, so they're not going to swatch as well as they would if they were wet. I obviously did not think this through. I don't know if you could see, but I have glitter everywhere. It's gonna be glitter for days. That was a glitter bomb, by the way. Okay, anyway, let's go. All right, so obviously my face is done. We see that. We're gonna go directly into the mauvey purpley color here. And I'm just gonna take my Beige Cosmetics brush I love so much, tap that off, and give it a go right here in my transition space. They're really pigmented, as far as I can tell. You know, I've only used the one color on my eye, but so what I'm doing is, like, I've placed it down and I've rubbed it into my crease. And what I'm doing is kind of just softening up the edges while I'm, you know, right here. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Let's take our finger into this color right here. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. And let's just put this all over the lid. A pretty like smoky pink, not smoky pink eye, we're doing smoky purple eye. Nobody wants a smoky pink eye, do they? So Riley, I just got a text this morning and he knows his first 50 words now, so he knows more than 50 words, but we have to work on him to learn the first 200 sight words so he can get a trophy in March. He's already in their math club or their numbers club and their ABC club, and he's a top reader, like a top math person. So right now he's doing this program called Reading Counts, where if they get a certain amount of points, they get to go to a luau party. So we read with him every night. I've always done that anyway, but we read with him every night. But he has to take a turn to read the book too, which I've kind of been doing that anyway. So if he gets 50 points, he gets to go to the luau. So I'm excited, he's excited, he loves it. So yay! I already love how this is turning out, and we've only used 2 colors. Isn't that crazy? I really want to use this rose goldy glitter. So let me get some hair gel and I will be right back. When my dogs bark, let's just have another coffee break, shall we? Cheers. So I'm gonna take some hair gel. I learned this trick from my cousin. So I'm just gonna put on the little mirror, just take a tiniest little bit of hair gel. I'm gonna use a guy like this, a little sturdy guy. Dip into that hair gel a little bit and then dip into that glitter so it picks it up like that. And we're gonna just stamp it onto the lid. I should have put the glitter or the gel on my lid first. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. We'll do that on the next side. All right, you wanna keep your eye kind of closed. I got a clean brush to place some of that dry glitter on it, just to go over this. Oh, you know what I should have done? Squirrel moment. I should have put my eyeliner on first. You live and you learn, you guys. And it's important to know that I'm just patting. I am not at all rubbing. This will, because I have little fallout here. Any glitter you use, you're gonna get a little bit of fallout. So you just wanna be mindful of that. So using a patting motion is really going to be your better option. So just keep that in mind when you're using glitter. You pat it. Look how sparkly. Keep your eye closed and let that dry a little bit. No, it doesn't seem to fit. Okay, anyway. So on to the next eye. With the next eye, I'm gonna do it just a little bit different. See if it applies a little bit differently. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that hair gel and I'm not sure if hair gel is good for your eyes, so just keep that in mind. This is just a trick I learned from my cousin, and so I'm gonna use it because I do not have glitter glue. You could probably even use concealer. I'm just keeping it right at my crease. I'm not trying to go above my crease with it. So I'm gonna keep my eye like looking down. This is a dry brush. I'm gonna pick up some of that glitter. We're just gonna press it. Okay, so it applied better when I put it with the glue. Not the glue, but with the gel. I actually really like it though. I'm not a big glitter fan, but it is really pretty. The reason why you want to keep your eyes closed and kind of just let it dry so it does not crease up. By letting it dry like this, you're just letting it kind of just stay where it's at. So there's the tiniest little fallout. So that is not bad at all. So I'm going to just take this back into that first shade we used, just a little bit, and I'm going to stamp it right at the edge. This will kind of darken out that glitter and kind of give it a little bit of a dimension here, which I always love. I'm just stamping. You do not want to rub it. If you rub it, you're going to mess up your glitter. And this is just going on the outer like third of my eye. So I'm going to take the Baby Cosmetics Precision Gel Eyeliner. So I'm going to just take this in my water or my tight line right here. So if you watched last week's video, my Get Ready With Me, you know I like to use the Stay Neutral Because Cosmetics Precision Gel Eyeliner to help brighten up my eyes right here. So we're going to do that. Then we're going to use that same purple color, stamp it down at the bottom. This is a detailed brush from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. I got this in BoxyCharm a long time ago. Taking my favorite Milani Strobe Light Dayglow highlighter, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. Now taking a clean brush, fluffy brush, we're just going to buff out these edges down at the bottom, how I poke my eyeball. So next I'm taking the Epic Ink Eyeliner from NYX, and we're just going to outline mascara and lashes. So we are going to be testing out the Bambi Eye Mascara from Loreal. So my kids have gotten a hold of it, I see, and it's all dirty. So they got to test it out before I could. So this is what the wand looks like. It looks a little thick, but we'll see. Oh, wait. Lashes. Let's curl. I've been forgetting to do this step lately. This is how you use them, folks. Here we go. It puts the mascara on the lashes. I mean, it's okay. write home to mom about it. I think that this will be the last time I use this mascara. It's supposed to wide-eyed, fits eye shape to coat each lash from inner to outer corner, separate lash by lash for defined lashes, black velvety formula for smooth elongated lashes, waterproof. Alright you guys, I'm gonna put on lashes and I will be right back. Alright everyone, this is actually really nice and pretty. I'm really digging the glitter. I like it. So, my synopsis, my thoughts on the 90s Baby Cosmetics Love Notes palette. I love it. The thing is with the dry glitter, you do have to have a wet base in order to apply it. And when you apply it, you're gonna need to make sure that you're patting it on there. Do not rub it. Make sure you keep your eyes closed and let the product dry before you open them back up so it does not transfer and it stays in place. The colors are very pigmented. They really did a good job again. This is my second product from them and I love it. So if you are into indie brands and you're looking for a nice little palette, you can go ahead and get this one. I will put the 90s Baby Cosmetics link in the description box below. My sister doesn't like it when I do this, so I'm trying to work on the hands, the pointing the comment down below thing, description box below hands thing. Anyway. Our next review, the Bambi Eye Mascara. I'm not a fan. I don't like it. I don't know if it's because my kids got a hold of it before I did and did whatever they did to it, but it was clumpy for me and it did not feather my eyelashes like it did Maria Gloria's. Honestly, I won't use this one again. I do like the Maybelline mascara, the Rocket one, and I like the Because mascara. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this look. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscription box below and hit the notification bell. I do upload every Wednesday at 10 a.m. EST. All the products I used in this video will be listed down below as well. And if I do have any affiliate links, I will let you know if I'm affiliated with them. So I guess I will see you all again next week. Bye! If you can relate to mom life and makeup, you love makeup. I don't know how I'm gonna get this glitter off of me. I did not think about that. And let's just go ahead and kind of like put it in there. I have 10 minutes to finish this video, you guys. I have to pick up my kid.